Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive through Winchester, Virginia on US Highway 11 beginning at mile 328. We left off in our last video with US 11 and Valley Avenue veering right onto a street that diagonally cuts through a block to eventually realign itself 2 blocks to the east. We turn right and head briefly east on East Girard Street. Looking back on historic maps, it appears that back in the 1940s, US 11 split into a couplet and the northbound lanes ran along Loudon Street. Then later, the northbound lanes were shifted a block further east onto South Cameron Street. But now Cameron Street is two-way, and US 11 runs in both directions here now. As we turn onto Cameron Street, we're joined by US 17, US 50, and US 522. US 50 is a major coast-to-coast US highway which runs from West Sacramento, California to Ocean City, Maryland. US 17 is known as the Coastal Highway, running from Punta Gorda, Florida, and terminating at the next intersection here, complete with an end sign. At this intersection, US 50 turns to the left, reducing us to a single concurrency with US 522. US 522 is a spur route of US 22 heading north from here through Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, and into Pennsylvania. Here the concurrency with US 522 ends, leaving US 11 all alone again. At this point, US 11 gets the name Martinsburg Pike, which will take us the rest of the way to the West Virginia state line. Here we merge with Virginia State Route 37, which will carry us over to the east side of Interstate 81. State Route 37 is the Winchester Bypass, which we saw in the last video at the other end of Winchester. The bypass ends at the Diamond interchange with I-81 just ahead. We enter the unincorporated community of Stevenson. High Banks, also known as the Helm Clevenger House, is an old residence and farm located nearby. Built around 1753, the house is a two-story limestone structure with a central hall and additional frame extensions. Greek Revival embellishments were added in 1858. The property also includes remnants of a bank barn from the post-Civil War era and an 18th century stone icehouse pit. High Banks was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2011. So now we just have a few more miles to the state line, and we won't be encountering any more towns between here and there. We conclude today's video at the West Virginia state line after 339.41 miles in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.